Next book.
Bea, read it? You read it.
What?
And done.
Oh.
What?
Give it to Uncle Jay. Hey, Uncle Jay, have it. Give it to Uncle Jay, please. You need to obey.
What?
Wow.
Whoa.
What?
What? What?
Can you sit with Uncle Jay? Sit down.
Give here. Give her home, aren't you?
Can you say hola?
Oh yeah.
Very good. Can you give Uncle Jay a kiss? Aww. Whoa.
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 Whoa. Right.
You almost fell. Where's Yaya?
Yaya's eating candy.
Yaya, she wanted up.
Not because she doesn't have candy. Can I give her one?
Yeah. If you, yeah.
Did she eat that?
Yeah, that's fine. Can you say thank you to Yaya? Why don't you go give Yaya a kiss? Come back here. Yaya, okay. Can you give Yaya a kiss? Give Yaya a kiss. Aw, thank you. Thank you, baby. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Look at me.
Bye-bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Okay. Mwah. Blow a kiss. Say I love you. Very good. Awesome. She got chocolate.